Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be learning how to do shrimp cocktail. So if you guys are interested on how to, just keep on watching. Okay you guys, so these are my ingredients that I'm going to be using. I have avocados, tomatoes, lemons, purple onion. I prefer the purple onion for shrimp cocktail, some cilantro and cucumber. I do have the shrimp. They are deveined and peeled, so I don't have to do that. It depending where you buy from the store, whether they're not peeled, you're just gonna have to do the work. I've already rinsed them out. And I have clamato juice here. I have tapatio, and we're gonna need some ketchup. Okay guys, so the first step that we're going to be doing is getting our shrimp cooked. Right now I do have my water boiling. That is the first thing I want to be doing because I like cold shrimp cocktail. I don't like warm. Some people eat it warm, some people eat it cold. I personally like it cold, so I want to make sure my shrimp are fully cooked. Put them in the refrigerator so they're nice and cold and just delicious. So let's get that going. So this is the water. I have it boiling like I had mentioned. Now we're going to be adding the shrimp. Ooh, be careful when you're adding that because it's pretty hot. But as soon as I drop them, they are no longer gray like this color. They are starting to get pink. We're only going to leave them here for a couple of minutes. We don't want them to overcook like I had mentioned. We do want to add a little bit of salt, just so they marinate in there. Okay, I personally think that they are done. So I'm going to remove them from the water. We are going to keep the water though. That is going to be the broth that we're also going to be using when we eat it. We're going to put the shrimp in the refrigerator. So now we're going to be cutting all of our ingredients. Let's start with the onion first. Okay, now that we finished cutting all of our ingredients, we are going to put things together. Okay, so we're going to be mixing everything together so that way it sits in the refrigerator and it gets nice and cold before we have it. So we are going to put some of that shrimp broth that we have like that. We are going to be adding the shrimp. We're going to be adding the clamato. Now we're going to put all of our vegetables. Tomatoes, onions, the cilantro, the cucumber, so far it's tasting good. We're just gonna let it sit in the refrigerator just so it can get nice and cold. We still have to add the ketchup, the tapatio, the lemon, the avocado, and then just serve it and we'll be eating. But right now it's good. Let all the ingredients marinate in the refrigerator. So now that it's nice and cold, I'm gonna show you. This is how it looks like. Now we're gonna finish it up so we can get it ready to start eating it. Now we're going to add ketchup, some tapatio for spiciness. It all depends how spicy you want it. And some lemon. I'm gonna mix it. You're gonna want to be tasting it because you're gonna probably want more ketchup, more tapatio. Like, I think I need more ketchup. A little bit more lemon. Okay, I think it's tasting really good right now. So now we're just going to add the avocado. And that is it, guys. Now it's time to taste it. So you put your shrimp cocktail and these crackers and you taste it. So good. So good. You can also have them with tostadas, but crackers are the go-to. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.